past 10 days, the headlines of this country have been dominated with what has come to be known as IPL Gate. But now many people are asking, how is this all going to end? If this is about really cleaning up the governance of cricket, is that what's going to happen? Or is political shadow boxing of a kind overtaking the entire controversy? What about the morale of the owners? Where do they stand? And what will happen to Lalit Modi, the game of cricket and the brand of IPL? Joining us now in her first interview since this controversy erupted is co-owner of Kings 11 and well-known actress and entrepreneur now, Preity Zinta. Preity, it must be terribly depressing for people like yourselves to watch what's happening to a brand that was once the most glamorous, coveted brand in this country.
Of course, Barkha, it's really sad. It's really sad to see what's happening on every television channel. And it's really sad that there's so much speculation being carried out as news where the IPL is concerned. For me, it's even more heartbreaking because, we've just come out of the tournament, last on the table, and then you end up seeing all that's coming out about the IPL. So I really hope that as they say, investigations are going on, let the investigation go on, let the truth come out, and let's reduce the speculation for sure.
Now, Preity, the IPL awards were virtually boycotted by the BCCI. They were attended by you, they were attended by Shilpa and Shah Rukh. Do you think this has become about the owners versus the BCCI?
No, I don't think it's the owners versus the BCCI. I think it's always been each to his own. It's how individually people react to different situations. For us, we had committed to go to the awards, and we went to the awards, and I must say they were pretty nice. It was nice to see all the cricketers relaxing, and it was really nice to see different cricketers from different teams, different countries coming together, laughing together. Yes, I think it would have been different if this controversy wasn't there, but they were pretty good, and I think Shah Rukh and Karan and everybody made it really, really special.
Preity, I want to talk to you about the controversy that has engulfed the IPL. Now, in specific, it seems to have dragged in your team as well, along with two other teams. And what sources are now telling us is basically, as they investigate the whole issue of proxy holdings or Benami holdings, the allegation is that there are three teams that are now under the scanner, KKR, Rajasthan Royals and Kings 11, on the allegation of proxy holdings. Before I get into the details, your first response to this allegation that there is a Benami ownership in Kings 11.
Well, Barkha, first of all, I would like to know who are these sources? And if they really are sources, they should come out, A. B, it's really sad, and I'm going to take it a little humorous because, I'm fed up of being depressed. But it's really sad. Earlier on, everyone said someone bought me the team. Now they're saying there's Benami sources that own the team. I mean, why is it so difficult for people to believe that I can put in my money or someone else can put in our money? And there is something called right to information. People can go and find out instead of speculating. Just a couple of days ago, and I would really like to say this on air because it's regarding a very, very dear friend of mine called Akash Arora, because I read it in the paper, who is Akash Arora? And he's a dear friend of mine from years and years and years, and I told him, you have to come with me during this IPL and support me and be my friend. And the next thing I hear is he's a hidden owner of Kings 11 Punjab, and he's fronting money for someone, and he's this and he's that. Poor guy, he doesn't even have 1 rupee invested in the IPL or in my team. So, just random things coming out. We ourselves don't know what the truth is because there's so much randomness happening. And this is not like that yellow journalism that who's having an affair with who and you can speculate. These are hard allegations against people. And, I have full faith in our system. I believe that, okay, if somebody is going to go and investigate and clean up the cricket and they feel there's something in there, please go ahead. We will support everybody. But just random allegations, and I can say this because I'm part of Kings 11 Punjab, it's really sad.
Tuba.com